GAA clubs dominate the sport field in securing government funding, taking in almost 3 times more than anybody else in grants. Now there are moves to level the playing pitch to help minority sports, clubs in disadvantaged areas, and those who don't own their own land. The government is looking at the European model of council-run sports facilities being shared by different clubs. The GAA got more than 2 out of every €5 given to local sports clubs by the taxpayer over the past decade. When multi-sport facilities are added in, the GAA's share rises up towards half of all the funding. GAA clubs have the distinct advantage of owning their own grounds and having a critical mass of members, and the clubs also have strong political lobbying power. Nonetheless, the GAA clubs are getting a disproportionate share of the grants, even compared to their peers in soccer and rugby. The government admits it needs to prioritise investment towards disadvantaged areas and sports that are currently underrepresented. New data on the allocation of funds over the past decade puts the GAA way out in front of the pack, taking in €269 million over the past decade. That's 41% of the total funding. You can follow this story on the Irish Independent.